Okay, so we're going to show you now what you can do with the full tap and swing. So we've assembled it and now we're going to play some fun games with it. So I've got the lightweight ball. I'm just going to pop it onto the Velcro half ball with a lovely fabric there, and I'm going to just do some punching. Excuse me. You can do it sitting down, you can do it standing up, you can put your foot on the base so you've got more of a punch in there. You could have somebody holding it, or you could hold it yourself. Do your left hand, turn it round, do your right hand, or you can bring in your head and bring in the head, tapping it. It's not going to hurt. It's a nice lightweight ball to connect to the tap and swing. So that's the lightweight ball. I've got my tap hand and my bell ball now, so I could use the half ball onto the Velcro. I can use my hands, great sensory, I can hear it, I can feel it. I love the feel of it hitting the tap hand, but as we say, don't tap it, whack it. Oh, and Lisa caught it there. So that's another game we're going to just show you now. So, but we're going to use the tennis ball. So we've got just the LUSU ball, just popping it onto, again it sticks nicely onto the half ball. Lisa comes with the net. Whoops, let's stick it on again. Don't worry if it pops off. Again, I could use my hand or use my tap it and whack it. Oh, I need to put a bit more into that, Lisa. Hang on. Don't tap it, whack it. Yay, I got it in the net. So that's called tap and catch. Now I'm going to do a little bit of fishing. So we could use different balls. I'm going to use the big ball for this one. So pop the lightweight ball on the floor and just take the top off, and then you can just go down and pick it up. Great for your hand-eye coordination of tracking the ball, pulling it off. I might want to add in a little bit of a pole. Again, a longer pole so I've got a better reach. Again, for my fine motor skills. Whoops. There we go. Love that. Well, Lisa's got a net there, so she could put this in the net and I get it out of the net. So I'm going fishing for it in the net. Yeah, I love that. Do I win a prize? So that's called Let's Go Fishing. Now the final game is the bridge game. So I'm going to build my bridge. Okay, so I'm just going to take the pole out. Oh, I'm going to take the end out here, forgot that. Take the end out here, pop my pole inside, and then I'll just make a nice little bridge. So it could be a net, so I could throw it over the bridge with Lisa. Oh, Lisa's rolling it through, over, or we could kick it through. So it's a nice target to use on the bridge. So that's a tap and swing. Enjoy.